Today, we're diving into a common misconception about minimalism, that it's restrictive. Let's clear the air and explore how minimalism actually offers more freedom than you might think. Ready? Let's get started.
Welcome to Essence of Ease, a peaceful oasis for those seeking to embrace a more intentional and fulfilling way of life. The slow life, or quiet life, as people like to call it. In our fast-paced, material-driven world, it's easy to lose sight of what truly matters. This channel is dedicated to rediscovering the joys of slow living, quiet living, savoring simple pleasures, cultivating mindfulness, and nurturing your authentic self.
Minimalism is not about restrictions, it's about freedom. By simplifying our lives, we can focus on what truly matters. It's not about having less, but about having more of what brings us joy and fulfillment. Embracing minimalism allows us to declutter our physical and mental space, leading to a clearer mind and a more intentional way of living. So let go of the excess and discover the beauty of simplicity.